how to delete all of your emails at once in Gmail. Welcome to this tutorial. Here we go. So you're going to be on your email account you want to delete them all from. You're going to be on Google, come over to Gmail right here. Now from here you've got two options. You can click on the little box or the little arrow, whichever one, and just click all if it's the arrow. If it's the box, it just selects them all anyway. So now this will just delete every email on this page right here, which is all 50 conversations on this page. However, come over here to the blue right here. Select all 19,868. You could have a few hundred, you could have a few thousand, you could have 100,000, who knows. So all you need to do is click on this. Now remember, be careful before you do this, because this will delete every single email in the email address. So all you need to do from here, you can clear a selection if you like, you don't have to do it. But again, all 19,000. Now right here, delete, and select delete. Here we go. This action will affect all 19,000. Are you sure you want to continue? You can do yes or no. I will do, of course, okay. And bang, right there. Oh, it will take a minute, of course. It's going to refresh every now and again. So this will take, yep, we moved some conversation trash. We'll do the same for any remaining conversations in a few minutes. So it depends on how many emails you have. This will take a few minutes, the more you have, of course. And that's how you delete every single email again in your email, Gmail. But if it's if you come back a little while later and it's still here, you can always do it again. Come up here, delete, same steps. Bang. As you can see, the numbers drop over there. But again, it might take longer depending on how many conversations are selected. But that's how you delete all of them. Again, if it glitches out and doesn't work, you come back a few minutes later. Just come up and do it again. Again, it only takes a minute. Eventually get through them pretty quickly. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.